Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, we will learn how to log in to your Citi card. Now, before that, do not get confused. You will need to create a separate account to access your Citi card if you have a credit card or a debit card of Citibank. What you need to do is just log into your Citibank online banking account. From this, you can access your credit card or apply for a credit card and do anything related to the credit card from your normal Citibank online banking account. So, I will teach you how you guys can log into your account. Alright, so follow these steps. But before that, if you guys are new here, do subscribe to our channel. Let's move on to log into this account. Firstly, open up any web browser on your computer. Now, there, search for Citibank and hit enter. Make sure it will take you to the right website, www.citi.com. Just click that link. It will take you to the official website of Citibank. You can see the sign-in option on the right side of your screen. Now, to access your Citi banking, just simply enter your user ID over here. Similarly, enter your password over here. Just to confirm your password, click on the eye icon. If you want to remember your user ID, just click on Remember User ID. If you want to apply for Citi banking, just click on Register or Activate. And if you forgot your user ID or password, just click on Forgot User ID or Password. Once you click on Sign On, you can access your credit card from the credit card section. If you found this video informative, just comment down below. This much for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching.